Hey Doodles, it's Smurf here, and today I'm doing a little bit of a speed run through this colouring in of what I've dubbed my crazy fish. Um, Reason being is very noisy in my household, and sometimes I just can't get any videoing done because there's just people visiting and stuff, because my little art nook is in my lounge room. Anyhow, the set I'm using to colour in my fishies are the Brutfuner 50 Macaron Colors. Macaron, however you want to say it. Anyhow, the colours I am using for the body is my dark tone. I am using Smalt Blue, which is B1339. And my mid-tone I'm using Wisteria B1430. And then my lightest tone is Forget Me Not Blue, which is B1326. And then for the fins, I am using, well, at the moment you can see that I'm using a Dooart blender. And the reason for that is the paper that I'm using is Daler Rowney Eco Drawing paper. And it's been pretty good so far, but this is actually the back side of the paper that I'm colouring in on. So, yeah. I will touch a little bit more about why I'm on the back side of the paper in the next video where I colour the second fish. Anyhow, the fin colours I'm using for the dark tone is Rose Grey B1495, and for the mid-tone Mauve B1434, and then for my lightest tone I'm using Fuchsia, which is B1436. So, yeah, really loving these pencils. Not so great on the paper, being the wrong side of the paper. And also I decided when I discovered it wasn't working so well on the back side of the paper, which is really a stupid mistake, I have ordered a few different, well, reportedly better papers for colour pencil drawings, so they will arrive in the next week or so, and I'll get to try them out, so that would be good. So, I'm not a coloured pencil expert by any means, as you can probably tell because of my little paper hiccup, but I've always just kind of felt my own way through how I use the pencils, and yeah, I've been learning a lot lately by watching other YouTubers. So just a quick mentions of people that I've been watching. I'll touch a little bit more into it too, probably in the next video, but just off the top of my head, I've been watching Colouring Bliss. That's a good channel. I've been watching Pamela's Passion for Pencils, and I've been watching Kirsty Partridge Art, but she's more realism with coloured pencil, but still learnt lots from her. And I've also been learning a bit lately from a colourist, and her channel is called Pretty Pages 71, and her name's Anne, and she, I think, is from Malaysia originally. Anyhow, she speaks English as her second language, but she's fine to understand. I don't have a problem, so you shouldn't either. So I recommend going and checking those people out if you're struggling with coloured pencil work. So yeah, so this is a 15-minute video, and I probably don't really have anything more related to what I'm doing with the pencils and colouring in this fish. So I think I'll probably leave my little voice over there, but I'll pop some music in, and I don't know, just have a relax and watch. If not, just do what everybody on YouTube does and just fast forward to the end and see the result. I don't really mind. My content's more here just for anybody who it might help rather than any other reason. And also because I'm finding I'm enjoying creating YouTube videos, and it gives me something to do, and it's now my day job since I got fired just before Christmas last year. So Anyway, guys, I will catch you later.